Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in today's trick tip, we're gonna learn how to do axle stalls in transition. Now if you didn't know, axle stalls are another name for 50-50 stalls. Before we get started, you need to learn how to drop in. So if you already know how to drop in, definitely continue on. And if you don't, there should be a link somewhere. So definitely click that link on this video and it'll take you to my trick tip of how to drop in. Let's get started. All right, so before you can even get to the other side of the half pipe, you need to know how to drop in. Another good little tip is making sure you know how to do a pivot on a quarter pipe and taking that pivot up to the coping to do a little slash. That way you can get the feel of how to get your back trucks on that coping before you put both trucks up there. All right, so the main idea for a 50-50 stall or an axle stall is coming up the transition, doing a 90-degree turn, getting your trucks to land both onto the coping, and then turning back in regular and riding away. Now, a quick tip, as soon as you get up and turn, you want to be locked in cross lock. Now, what that means is your back trucks are gonna have your heel locked in with the wheel against the coping, and your front trucks are gonna have your toe side wheel against the coping locked in. So it's like a bit of a cross. So that's why they call it a cross lock. And that's the safest way to lock in and to get back out. When starting, it's gonna be very easy to, stuff up this trick. You will overshoot it, I guarantee you, and you're gonna land with both toes locked up against the coping. Now, this is fine, but you definitely don't wanna come back in this way because that's more or less you're gonna end up hanging up and getting your back wheel stuck on top of the ramp. If you do end up finding yourself toed locked, that's fine. Just make sure you put a lot of pressure on your front foot and push your back foot out so that the board becomes cross-locked and then get your way back in. All right, so if you're not confident doing it in a half pipe with coping, definitely come to something like this, a little bank or a little quarter pipe like this one that has no coping. Now to pivot getting back in, you wanna put a lot of pressure on your back foot and then slowly lift up your front foot and turn into the ramp. Now a key idea is to always look where you wanna go because your body will most likely follow. What you can do is if you're having trouble getting up and then feeling comfortable enough to go back in, you can set up on top of a small ramp, put your board down in a 50-50 position, hop on, with the same positioning of the way you need to be, and then push your back foot out so that way you're cross-locked and lean back in and pivot. Push down on the tail, lift up your nose, slowly pivot in while leaning into the ramp and roll away. All right, so the hardest thing about this trick is actually speed. Now, if you have too much speed while dropping in, you're gonna end up trying to do an axle stall and landing up on the deck. You don't wanna do that. It's all right to start, but you wanna be able to slow your speed down a little bit to the point where you have enough speed to get onto the coping, but your body weight and all your momentum is still in the ramp. Now, another quick tip, try to do everything nice and smooth and slow. The faster you do these movements, the sketchier it's gonna feel and the harder it's gonna be. So nice and slow. All right, so that's the basics of how to do an axle stall in transition. Now take it step by step at your own progression and take it very slow. Now this is one of the funnest tricks and one of the most used tricks you'll ever do. Now if this video helps, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment on what trick tip you'd like to see next. Thanks guys. All right, so once you get good at these, the next step is taking it to 50-50 grinds. The next step is 50-50 grinds.